Today I'm going to show you how to get power from the mirror of your 2023 Audi Q7 using a mirror tap wire from Amazon. The same instructions apply for Q7 years 2018 to 2025. I'm installing a unit in R8, so make sure you get the correct wire for your radar. I'm using this mirror tap wire I got from Amazon for $12, and I'm going to use this vehicle panel tool specifically that'll give me the leverage I need to be able to remove the cap from under the mirror. See, there's three different kinds. This one's too thick. This one also is too thick. This really thin one, this is the one that we're going to use. We're going to start by removing the cover under the mirror, which has clips in 6 areas, 2 on each side as you see me popping out here, and 2 where the panel meets the roof liner. You just slide your tool in, apply gentle pressure, and it'll pop off. When you get to the area by the fender liner, that's a little more tricky, but I was able to kind of slide it in here like that, and on the other side in the same way, and it came right out. Now you can see how this cap snaps to the windshield. There's 2 clips right here at the top, and there's 4 grooves on both sides. You can see right here. Once you have your cap off, you're going to be connecting your mirror tap down in here. Here's a closer view. You're going to plug your red wire in to the yellow red, and you're going to plug your black wire in to where the brown wire is. And if the ends of your wire are not too thick, they'll slide right in. You can see here with that red yellow wire, that's where I plugged in my red. And if I come over to the other side, you can barely see the brown wire a little in the back there, but you can see that I plugged my black wire into exactly where that is. So the top left corner and right next to it, one over on the upper part of the wire, that's where we're going to slide it in. We're going to go ahead and plug this in, and we're going to turn on the car and see if it works. And it works. I did not take this off. I didn't end up needing to. I got the wire in without even using pliers. It just slid right in because I had a very thin wire as I showed you before. So now I'm going to tidy up these wires. I'm going to mount my radar, make sure everything is good, and then put the cap back on. Okay, so that's cap back on, and you can see where I squeezed the wire out from right there, and it's not even pinching the wire. And that's it. No more wires coming up from your cup holder area. Everything's nice and clean.